Discover the power and versatility of our latest electric bike, designed for both the daily commuter and the adventurous explorer. Equipped with a 1000W peak mid-drive motor, delivering an impressive 150 Nm of torque, our e-bike can reach speeds up to 40 km per hour, easily conquer complex terrains with optimized transmission and speed regulation for a smooth and comfortable ride. Featuring a 672Wh hidden battery, our e-bike not only boasts a sleek and aesthetic design, but also ensures waterproof and dustproof protection. Enjoy up to 60 km in electric mode and up to 80 km in PAS mode, giving you the freedom for longer journeys without worry. Ride with confidence on 27.5-inch Astros 2.4 Kenda tires and a lockable fork paired with selectable shock-absorbing seat tube options. The step-over frame and 0 to 90 degrees adjustable handlebar stem provide ergonomic flexibility for a more comfortable ride. Upgraded cable-actuated hydraulic brakes ensure a safer and more sensitive braking experience. Enhanced performance features make maintenance easier and durability longer-lasting, giving you peace of mind on every ride. Stay informed with the intelligent LCD display, showing speed, mileage, battery level, and 5-level PAS mode data. Ride safely at night with a dual light system and navigate diverse terrains with the Shimano 7-speed gear system. Enjoy the simplicity and ease of all-in-one operation. Experience the ultimate in power, performance, and flexibility with our electric bike. Perfect for any terrain and any adventure. Like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in e-bike technology. Click the link below to get your e-bike today.